Morning. Good morning. Here we are at the park. B, Gypsy, about 5, about 5 minutes till sunrise. It's still kind of. Hey, Ralph. Ralph's up drinking water. Yes. Good boy, Ralph. Ralph's been on the move for a while. Yes. Go, buddy. Come on, Ralphie. Good boy. Good boy, Ralph. That's it. Yeah, there's Ozzy right over there. Yeah. Hey, Ozzy. Come on. Mindy and Holly, and Bee, and Gypsy. Yep. Yep. We got here about 5:30 this morning. It's pretty dark. Well, the lights are on and everything, but I mean, it's still. I thought we might have been rained out last night the way they were talking about thunderstorms and stuff this morning. 50, 60% and all this other stuff. So I thought we were going to get like blown out of the water, but nope. Here we are. We're here. And walking along. Oh. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Yeah. Yeah, the glasses are gone. Thank God I did find another pair. I didn't think I had them working or anything, but I found them. So thank God for that. Otherwise, I would have had to run around with sunglasses. I'm kidding. Oh, I could just do that. Oh, boy. Yeah, that's the second time that's happened with glasses in all the years. I don't know. It's been a long time. But I don't know if it was Mindy that knocked them off the floor. Holly came around that side and chewed them. I'm not sure which one of them got it, but it was either Holly or Mindy chewed them up. Right, guys? Mindy is the chewer. Holly is the definite chewer. There's no doubt about it. So they may have been knocked on the floor by Mindy and all the excitement of trying to get me out of bed yesterday. And then Holly came around there and saw him and started to do the munch job on him. She did. Yeah, boy, I'll tell you. Wasn't none too happy. Oh, God, I was upset. Oh, my God. I'm surprised he didn't hear me. And Moraine, I was so mad. Yup. I was livid. I had to make an appointment anyway to get my eyes examined soon, but Jesus, I didn't want to have to, at least with the other glasses, they hadn't changed that much in the prescription, so I can see pretty well with them, so it's not a big deal. So it's just a matter of having to get new glasses. The cost of these things they are now. They're probably going up from, yeah. I wish they were just reading glasses. Unfortunately, I have to have trifocals. So, yeah, boy. So, anyway, God. Hey, guys. Hey, Ozzy. We're talking. Oh, there's Gypsy way down there. She's on the move again. She's always on the move here. Hi, Mindy. DJ. Yeah, this morning practice one for the Belgian Grand Prix. So they're having it's 7:55. First one kicks off, and then practice 2 is a little later this afternoon, and then practice 3 and qualifying are tomorrow, and the race is Sunday. So yes, that would be cool. They had a mid-season break for the last month and stuff, so hasn't been any racing. So, yep, I'm looking forward to it. Comes back up at the same time as football. So that's the one sport I enjoy watching. Just as long as they don't have woke stuff. I just am not into woke stuff. Come on, Gypsy. Come on, girl. Come on. So, I am not a woke person. Yeah, it's pretty cloudy. Yeah, sun's really blocked by the clouds down here, over there to the east. Boy, this place, when fall comes, this place is going to be knee deep in leaves. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. I guess. That's it. That's it, girl. Yep. Hey, B. Hey, B. Good boy. Come on, BG. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Good baby. Hello. Good baby. Good baby. Uh-huh. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Woo-hoo. Hey, BJ. Good boy. That's it. Come on. Come on. Ralph's still there. Sitting down. Ozzy, what you doing, buddy? Come on. What are you hiding from? Come on. Behind the shelter box. What a goof. What a goof. Come on. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Come on. That's it. So, my. Time does fly. Yeah, geez. Almost covered. Almost. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Ralphie. Ralph. Ralph. Good boy, Ralph. Good boy, Ralph. Yep. Yep. Come on. Come on, Ozzy. Good boy. Hey, Ozzy. Ozzy. That's it. What's up, buddy? What's up? What is up? Good boy. Come on. That's it. Good boy. There we go. Come on. There we are. Come on, kids. Feel like the Pied Piper. Come on. Well, that's about it for this morning. Just sort of Friday morning here, having a good time. And we will talk to you all later. Everybody have a great day. Team Ralph out. Bye-bye.